I feel very Nicki Minaj in this. Very Nicki Minaj. What's poppin'? Mayhem Goddess Crew. In today's video, I will be going over how I achieved this hair using the Fab Wigs full lace wig, and I'm taking you through the whole process. Yes, you. The whole process, so you too can do it as well. If you want to know how to get this hair, you already know what you gotta do. What you gotta do?
You gotta subscribe. What's the problem? It's free.
If you're already part of the Mayhem Goddess Crew, leave your crowns down below.
And welcome back to another video.
This wig came from Fab Wigs. This is an Aliexpress vendor. This is a full lace wig. I got this for about $237, 20 inches, 150 density. And inside is, of course, the cap. And you get one comb in the front and two combs on the side, one comb in the back, and then you get your adjustable straps. Now the lace on this is transparent and it's pre-plucked and comes with the baby hairs. So far I'm noticing that it's full enough. There's a little shedding, but I don't think that that is something that's not uncommon when you get blonde hair. I'm starting to figure out. So there's a little bit of shedding. I get like one strand, and that's about it. I'm gonna color this wig green because I'm tired of regular old colors and I want to be different. So let's go on ahead and get this watercolor started. So what I did was go on ahead and boil some water. This is hot water to get ready for our color. Pouring the water into this container right here, and we're about to get started on the actual color. And the color I'm going to be using, it's called Electric Lime. Yeah, this low-key reminds me of the lemon lime Kool-Aid that they stopped making. Hey, Kool-Aid, if you ever watch this video, bring back the lemon lime Kool-Aid. It was the bee's knees. So here I'm just going to be checking to see what color it is. And this is not the color I want. Let's do a little bit more. I might go ahead and use this whole bottle of electric lime because there's barely anything in here anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and place my wig in there and trying not to go up to my little ponytail holder because that's where I want the different color at. As the wig was drying or draining, I went ahead and prepared some more boiling water to get prepared for our next hair color, which is this Clover color, and can't wait to see what this turns out like. So now that I'm done with the wig, the only thing I'm going to do is cold rinse it. Not with hot water, because if you start to rinse it with hot water, you start to lose some of your color. I'm going to cold rinse it, and then I'm going to put any old regular schmegler. I've had this for a while. This is this shampoo? This is conditioner. Had to make sure, because both of the bottles look the same. So I'm going to put this regular old schmegler, like, you know, conditioner in there. If you're interested in it, I'll leave it down below. It's by Ion. It's supposed to be repair, and it's supposed to strengthen and moisturize weak and damaged hair. So I'm going to put that on there and leave that on there for 5 minutes, and then I will get to styling this wig. So I just absolutely love this color. It came out so gorgeous. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be flat ironing the hair just to get it a nice sleek texture. And I'm going to be using my professional steam flat iron, my holy grail. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. As you can tell, this is what it turned out like. Now, by no means am I a professional. So I kind of missed some spots on this wig, like up here and right here. I missed some spots, but other than that, I think it looks pretty good. Now, I'm starting to think with these 3/16 color wigs, I think the short hairs in the wig is just a given, as well as shedding. Now, it wasn't shedding nowhere near as bad as my other one, but this is how much hair came out for me doing the whole head. That's not a lot, but I do believe that if you don't want any shedding, you can always go back and, I guess, use some of this Got2b freeze spray to seal the knots. Or there are some seal knots, I think it's not called Knot Today on Amazon. I'll link it down below. You spray it on the inside of your cap, so therefore it will not shed as bad. Y'all, I mean? Alright, so this is what it looks like all straightened out. I feel like it is awfully, I mean, it's cute. It's cute this way. I can do something with this. I can. It's cute, but I'm gonna add some curls. So I got this in styler. So when you pull your hair through it, it curls it all by itself. It's got this nice little brush and stuff to it. Then the little thing spins. I've had this forever and I ain't never used it. So we gonna use it today. Okay, so clearly I don't know how to do this. So I'm gonna turn this off and get the regular curling iron. And so I think this looks way better than when it was straight. It was cute when it was straight, but it just felt like I was lacking that oomph. You know what I'm saying? And I want to show you I'm getting better. I'm getting there with the baby hairs on the wigs, because we all, oh shit, get some better class for these things. They don't never stay in. So disappointed because they're so cute. As I was saying, I'm getting better with the baby hairs. I'm getting there. One day I'm gonna be a pro, but let's get into the deets of this hair. Okay, so as we know that this wig came from Fab Wigs. This is their 613 full lace human hair wig. Now, the hair on here is hand tied. The cap size is an average size, which I guess is what, 22, 23. So you might have to adjust if you got one of them Beetlejuice heads or one of them voodoo heads that you hang from your dashboard or to scare some motherfuckers off. Yeah, you're gonna have to customize it. So we all know that when you get a 316 lace wig or any type of 316, not 316, 613 wig, that is the color of the hair. So that means that it is at its highest color that it is. So the reason why I got this color is because it's a whole lot easier to deposit color on the wig than it is to lift the color up, if you get my jush. So if you made it this far, go ahead and leave a hashtag I made it down there in the comments and let me know which style do you like the best. And until next time, it's been me, your girl, Mayhem Beauty, and I will catch you in the next video.